Hey everybody, Dr. Burks here. So we have our second trial that's already in the water. It's already warmed up. So you can tell it's all melted and we're above 90 degrees for the temperature of our stearic acid on our thermometer here. So we're just gonna do it just like we did last time. We're gonna take it out of the water and rotate it around. And then as it cools down, I'm gonna stir it and you're gonna watch it on the video. And remember, every 30 seconds, you're gonna record the temperature. Once it gets to 85 degrees, you'll start recording the temperature every 30 seconds and record it until you have 4 points that are the exact same temperature. So this time you get to listen to me ramble while we do this experiment. So I'm just gonna stir this and keep the thermometer turned around so you can read it. And so it's at 85, so you'll want to start your measurements now. And we're just going to keep doing this until we get 4 points that are the same.
Hey, Dr. Burks, why shouldn't you trust atoms?
Because they make up everything.
Oh, you got it.
Nice setup. Are you Googling? She's Googling these jokes. She's not making them
Oh,
up.
come on.
What's another one?
Okay, hold on. Have you heard the one about a chemist who was reading a book about helium?
No, what?
He just couldn't put it down.
Nice. You got another one?
Yeah, I'm reading them to make sure I like them first. I asked the guy sitting next to me if he had any sodium hypobromate. What did he say?
What did he say?
Nah, bro. Which, if you know what sodium hypobromate spells, it's NaBRO. It's the chemical formula. I think that one's better if you see it. What's the show that cesium and iodine love watching together?
Oh, I know this one. But I'm not going to say it. I'll let you say it.
No, you can say
I can say it. It's CSI.
CSI. If you don't understand that one, look at your periodic table. What do you do with a sick chemist?
Curium.
Well, if you can't helium and you can't curium, you might as well bury them. I hope you guys are as entertained as we are. You know what would happen if the Silver Surfer and Iron Man teamed up?
I have no idea.
They'd be alloys. So did you hear oxygen went on a date with potassium?
Yeah, it
You
was
wanna know
okay.
how Yeah, it went okay. You're too smart for my jokes.
I've like heard most of them before. It's just like takes
There
a
are
second to
only
register.
so many.
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess I'll make your video all jokes and the next one could be trivia again. What did the scientist say when he found 2 isotopes of helium?
What?
Hee hee. He laughed. So why was the mole of oxygen molecules excited when he walked out of the singles bar? He
Why?
got Avogadro's number. What did one ion say to the other?
What?
I've got my eye on you. What do you call a tooth in a glass of water?
1 mole.
1 molar solution. What do you call a clown who's in jail?
What?
A silicon. Oh my goodness. What emotional disorder does a gas chromatograph suffer from?
Separation anxiety.
Yes!
That's a good one for the paper chromatography lab.
That is a good one. Why does hamburger yield lower energy than steak?
Why?
Because it's in the ground state. Wow.
So if you're keeping track of our stearic acid amongst all these jokes, it's starting to solidify. It's almost all solid. So if you could see it, it's very little liquid and mostly all solid crystals.
Trying to find some of these you guys won't get. Oh, okay. What element is derived from a Norse god?
Thorium.
Thorium.
I feel that's more trivia than like a joke.
Yeah, well, it was under middle jokes.
Ah.
What happened to the man who was stopped for having sodium chloride in a 9 volts in his car?
What?
He was booked for assault and battery. What is the name of 007's Eskimo cousin?
What? These are very specific jokes.
What is the name of 007's Eskimo cousin?
I don't know.
Polar bond.
Ah.
What kind of dogs do chemists have?
What?
Laboratory retrievers.
Nice.
How are we doing on our temperature?
We'll give it another 30 seconds. I think it's been at least 3 since I've been watching the video. I've been distracted by jokes, but
Oh. Why am I making bad chemistry jokes?
why?
Because all the good ones are argon.
There's gonna be argon after this video. There's gonna be no jokes left.
No jokes.
What are we gonna do for like next week's video if you don't have any jokes left?
We'll think of something. We'll think of something for you guys. We would like to apologize for not adding more jokes that are better and funnier. We will update them periodically.
So it's so solidified at this point that I can no longer stir it, so it's all solid. That's not a joke, that's just a detail of the experiment.
So, an optimist sees the glass half full. The pessimist sees the glass half empty. The chemist sees the glass completely full, half in the liquid state and half in the vapor state. And that's what you get when you're a chemist. You can't see anything like normal people.
It's true, it's true. lets it go in for phase changes and stuff, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so I think by this point you probably should have gotten 4 points that are plateaued. And hopefully you're just watching this for fun at this point, for the entertainment of jokes by Dr. C. So we'll go ahead and stop this video here. We'll do the third trial in the next video.